Hi, welcome to Key Stage 3 Science. This particular task is all about blood. So let's have a look at blood, something that you may not have ever thought of before. Yes, you've probably seen a bit of your blood or other people's blood. We all know that blood is red in color. But let's go into the finer details of what blood actually holds and what it consists of. So the parts of blood are the following. So we have what we call plasma. This is a yellow pale liquid in which the blood cells float. It carries waste carbon dioxide from the cells to the lungs, dissolved food to the cells, and a waste urea from the liver to the kidneys, hormones from one part of the body to another. So the function of a plasma is that it's a yellowy liquidy substance in which the blood cells actually float. So let's have a look at the red cells. So they do not have a nucleus, and there are lots of them. They carry oxygen from the lungs to the cells. So our blood contains plasma, red cells, white cells, and also platelets as well. White cells, they do have a nucleus. They fight against germs that enter the blood. And that's one of the reasons why we have white cells in our blood itself, just to kill germs. Platelets, these are small pieces of cells. They do not have a nucleus, but they help blood to clot if the skin is cut. So let's say, for example, you had a bit of an accident and you cut your skin. It's likely that you will probably bleed a little, but the blood will naturally form platelets and it will clot to stop more bleeding coming out. And that's the function of platelets within our blood itself. You probably didn't realize how important our blood actually is and what blood actually consists of. And these are the four precise things that our blood contains: plasma, red cells, white cells, and platelets. And they have their own unique functions in our blood. Have a read of this again and answer the rest of the questions. And we'll follow these up in our next class. Good luck.